Well, most things he can. But sometimes a person we love, through no fault of his own, can't see past the end of his nose. Past the end of his nose? Yes. Sometimes a little thing can be quite important. Oh, look, the cathedral. Father passes that every day. He sees that. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way to the people she calls. Come buy my bag full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Her words are simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence